Welcome to the chimney removal and re-roofing video by TR Construction. We begin with the careful removal of the old stone-covered metal roofing materials. Great care is taken in the process of demolition, along with the immediate and meticulous removal of debris, and a general cleaning of all of the construction site is performed. Next, the roof is cleared of any foreign material, allowing for phase 2 of the roofing process. Once stripped down to the bare wood, an inspection of the foundation is performed to ensure a smooth finish and ease of placement of the pre-roof covering. The chimney is also removed, and great care is taken with the interior demolition of the residence. With the chimney hole covered, it is time for the new asphalt dimensional shingles and O'Hagan vents. Here at TR Construction, we use only the highest quality products. Titanium UDL, a synthetic roofing cover, is applied to ensure a leak-free foundation for the new roofing material. Once completed, your new roof will be the showcase of your home. The final product is a leak-free roof that is backed by our 10-year warranty. TR Construction, we are built above the rest.